Today's webinar is going to focus on the StoneEdge shipping system. We'll also review cost savings available when using our shipping, as well as some new features that are coming soon. Lastly, at the conclusion of the webinar, we'll have a short question and answer session. The shipping system in StoneEdge allows you to ship orders in two separate ways. One method is what we refer to as quick ship, where you can search for an order, click on a button to pull it up on the screen, and then print out the shipping label. The second method is our pack and ship system, which requires you to confirm the items on the order prior to shipping. Using our shipping system will save you time and money, whether you're looking for the least expensive or fastest method of shipping. This will help you save money while at the same time keeping your customers happy because they'll receive accurate orders on time. To be able to use the shipping system in StoneEdge, there's a little bit of setup involved. The shipping setup involves setting defaults for things like shipping scales and label printers, and also setting defaults for shipping add-ons like insurance and delivery confirmation. The most important part of the shipping setup, though, is rate shopping and mapping. This is a screen where you take your shipping methods from StoneEdge, which are in the My Methods list on the left-hand side of the screen, and then you would map them to the services available from the carriers you ship from with the shipper services list in the center of the screen. So for example, if you have a shipping method in StoneEdge called Standard, which could go priority mail, first class mail, UPS ground, or FedEx ground, you'd select Standard from the My Methods list on the left-hand side of the screen, and then find the methods that can be used for then you could find the methods that would be used for that method from the shipper services list in the center of the screen. Then you would map the methods by using the blue arrows so that they appear under the services mapped to the My Methods list on the right-hand side of the screen. Now, anytime you're rate shopping an order with Standard as a shipping method, only the rates for priority mail, first class mail, UPS ground, and FedEx ground will be displayed. One other feature available is where you can limit the My Methods to only return rates for services that can be delivered within a set amount of days. We refer to this as TNT, or time in transit. For the next example, let's say you have a shipping method called expedited, and it can use any shipping methods for delivery as long as it takes 2 days or less. You would set the TNT, or time in transit, to 2, and leave the option for any under the services mapped to My Method column. Then when you rate shop an order where expedited is the shipping method, it limits the results to just the shipping methods that offer delivery within those 2 days that you had specified. Once you have all of your settings configured and shipping methods mapped, you're then ready to begin using the shipping system. There are two views that can be used within StoneEdge for shipping. We have a quick ship and we have a pack and ship. This first view that we're looking at and the next view, the search view and the list view, can be used for both systems. This first screen is the search view. From this screen, you can scan the barcode of an invoice or a packing slip, or just manually enter the order number to pull up the order. The second view you can use is the list view. This screen shows you a list of all the orders that are pending shipments. You can select an order number and it loads the order on the screen. From this view, you can also filter orders by shipping method or by shopping cart. If you're using our pack and ship system, once you've pulled up the order on the screen, you would see a list of all the items that need to be packed for that order. The next step would be to scan the barcodes of the items from the order to confirm that they are the correct items that are shipping. If you scan an incorrect barcode or you scan too many of an item, you'll get a warning that there's an issue with what you've just scanned. With these checks in place, you can cut back on shipping mistakes, as it makes it almost impossible to be able to ship the wrong items. As you're scanning the items for the order, the shipment weight is being automatically calculated based off of what has been scanned. Once everything has been scanned and packed, StoneEdge will then determine the best size box for your shipment. StoneEdge will determine the smallest possible box that can be used. This is helpful because you don't need to worry about your shippers accidentally choosing a box that is bigger than what is needed, which would lead to additional shipping costs. The next step would be to rate shop. With the proper configuration, StoneEdge can automatically rate shop and select the least expensive shipping method. However, you do have the option to manually rate shop orders prior to printing the shipping label. The shipping rates that StoneEdge provides will be for the list of methods you had previously mapped in the shipping setup. StoneEdge will automatically always select the least expensive shipping method when automatic rate shop occurs. For FedEx and UPS, the rates that are returned are based off your accounts with the carriers, and they will include any type of negotiated rates that you have with them. For the USPS rates, StoneEdge offers commercial rates or cubic pricing rates. StoneEdge users can qualify for these discounted shipping rates based off the combined volume of shipments within our customer base. The next two screens will show you an example of the discounted rates that are available. In our example, we're shipping a package from Pennsylvania to California via priority mail. The from zip code is 19460 and the to zip code is 94080. The shipment is 8 pounds, 7 ounces, and the dimensions are 7 by 7 by 7. If you were to ship this package at the post office, the shipment would cost close to $40. Using commercial rates, it would be close to $31. However, you'll notice that for the shipment, the rate Stonehenge is returning is only $13.17. This is due to cubic pricing. Since our shipment met the requirements for cubic pricing, you can see where that discounted rate came from. So now at this point, the weight has been calculated on the order, on the shipment. The box size and shipping method have been determined, so you can continue with processing the shipment. You can modify the delivery confirmation or insurance options if needed. And lastly, to print out the label, you just click on the blue colored printer icon. Once the label prints, the system will send the tracking email to your customers and also send the tracking information back to your shopping cart or marketplace. Besides Pack and Ship, I previously mentioned Quick Ship. If you choose to use our Quick Ship system, you have the ability to search for an order or key in the order number or scan it in, just like you can with the Pack and Ship. And then the screen will automatically load the information. Once the order is on the screen, you'll see all the information about the order. At this point, you don't need to do anything with the line items though. You can just enter weights and dimensions, box size, and rate shop, and then print out the label. Or with everything set up properly, the weights and the dimensions will automatically be pre-populated once you pull up the order. Once you've made any necessary adjustments to the shipment, you'd be able to just click on the same blue printer icon to have the shipping label print out. This method will also still send the email to your customers and send the tracking information back to your cart or marketplace. Another cost-saving feature that we offer besides discounted USPS shipping rates is shipping insurance. Insurance can be toggled on or off on individual shipments, or you can set defaults for it to always be on. Or you can tell it to turn on only when your order reaches a certain declared value amount. To get an idea of the discounted rates that are available, if you would take a shipment to the post office, that's $450, and attempt to insure it through them, it would be $8.60. Using Stonehenge's insurance, it would cost $4.91. Besides the cost savings, other benefits of using the insurance offered via Stonehenge is that claims are fast and easy to initiate and can be made directly from Stonehenge, and most claims are resolved within 7 business days. If you ever need shipment information on previously shipped orders, we give you some tools to be able to recall that data. Besides going directly to an order to look up information about the shipment, we allow you to search for past shipments on our previous shipment screen. From the screen, you also have the ability to reprint labels, void labels, and track packages. We also offer you the ability to look up and print out your shipment billing history if you ever need to reconcile billing statements. From the screen, you would first filter by date, and then you can further filter by carrier, shipping method, and status. You can view the results on the screen, or you can print out a report of the information. We've also added new features to the shipping system. We've added support for new special shipping services and have made improvements to international shipping. Support has been added for Saturday pickup and Saturday delivery. You'll also have the ability to make shipments that require dry ice, and we've added support for third-party billing. All these features will be available under a new link on the shipping screen under special services. We've also added the ability to print out commercial invoices for international shipping for UPS and FedEx. In the past, we've only offered support for USPS international shipping. In closing, we'd like to thank everybody for attending today's Lunch and Learn webinar. If you'd like to learn more about today's topic, you can reach out to sales@stonehenge.com. Or if you have support-related questions in regards to shipping, you can reach out to our support team at support@stonehenge.com. You can also follow us and interact with us on social media, on our Facebook page, and also our Stonehenge users group on Google. Thank you, and have a great day.